Alright guys, so I bought a new PlayStation 5 Pro. I replaced it with my PS5 Slim that I had before. As you can see, the box looks beautiful and everything looks beautiful. And let's just open the box. I bought it today and I bought it for GTA 6 and for the Resident Evil Requiem because it's Pro enhanced. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Just open this, and as you can see, let me just see if the camera can see it well. Okay, so let me just tilt it a bit. So as you can see in the box, we have the controller. Okay, let's open it up. See the controller. It looks really good, and all the sides and everything, it looks beautiful. Just as the normal. I think the difference is it's a matte finishing. You see, in the old PlayStation Slim, I had the controller with the glossy finish in this black area. All right, so we got the controller. I'm gonna put it aside, and then we have wire. This is the wire we got, and then we got an HDMI. That was a power cable. So we got power cable, and then this is the HDMI cable, and then we got an USB Type C cable for charging the controller. Okay, and then we got two clips. Basically, it's a stand for PS5. So these are the two clips, as you can see. I don't know if camera can see it well, but these are the two clips. Let's just put it in this little bag. And now let's open. Let me just put this all aside, and now just open this box. And the main event. Sorry about that. As we just take it out. And I was really scared that I'm gonna drop it. Okay, so this is the it comes in this padding. Let's just put the padding side. And this is now just unwrap it. Okay. All right, let's just unwrap it. I hope it all goes well in the video because the angle is really bad. Okay, so anyways, so this is the PlayStation 5 Pro that I got. It has two charging ports, one LAN port and one HDMI port. This looks pretty much same as the PlayStation Slim that I had before. Sorry, I have a sweat on my hand. Okay, so as you can see, it looks pretty much exactly the same except for this design. There's a three line design. Alright, it gets a little PlayStation logo here, and that's basically it. This is the unboxing we have, and let's see what else we have in the box. So we got two books. As you can see, two books. One is Quick Start Guide and the second one is Safety Guide. As you can see, in the Safety Guide we have a warranty card as well of this, Service Plus. That's a warranty, yeah, so that's a warranty card for this PlayStation. It's an international warranty. I cannot use it in Pakistan. And that's it basically. That's all we have in the box. And then the box is empty, as you can see. I hope the camera can see it. Okay, and that was it. That was my short unboxing of my PS5 Pro that I just bought today. Alright, I hope you guys can view it well. Let me show you the bottom of it. It has a little ventilation at the bottom, and we got button just like in the PS5 Slim, and we got two ports. And it looks beautiful. It looks really beautiful. I mean, as you can see, I think it's a bit taller than the PS5 Slim, but it looks pretty much same. Anyways, thank you for watching. That's it for my little unboxing.